My God.
What's wrong with my shoes?
Your shoes? As I said, you didn't fufu. What does that say? You didn't fufu. Oh, you're gonna move to your night town. I give them. I'm a native room. I'm going to move to your bravo or to the motor. God, what do you want? What do you want? I'm expecting my boyfriend. Get out. I'm expecting
Charlotte, I've said this a million times. I love you.
Hey, don't.
Charlotte, I think about you all the time. I cannot sleep, I cannot eat.
Me, I sleep and I eat.
It's unfair. Even during lectures, I cannot focus. I'm looking at you all through. You know, Charlotte, to show you that I think about you, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? What surprise?
Isn't today your birthday?
So?
Charlotte, I'm taking you out.
You?
No, I'm serious. Don't laugh about this. Look here, I have it figured out already. From here, we take a very romantic walk up to Wandegia. When we hit Wandegia, we get on a taxi. That is 300 each of us. That taxi takes us up to YMCA. When we reach YMCA, we take another romantic walk up to Stakeout. In fact, tonight is Super Tuesday at Stakeout. That means beer is 1,700 shillings. Each of us is going to drink 2 full beers. No. As if that's not enough, we take another romantic walk from Stakeout to City Oil Bombo Road, get on a taxi, hit Nando's. In fact, that's 600 for both of us. We hit Nando's, I buy you 1 pizza, they give you 1 free. So I buy you 1, I get myself 1 free. Isn't that a nice treat?
Are you done?
Okay, I've been preparing for this for a very long time. I've saved the full 10,000 just to spoil you, my dear.
Okay, get out. Because I'm expecting my boyfriend Richard is coming. Get out.
Charlotte.
That must be Richard. I told you that again. Come on, get out, please. Richard.
Oh, darling. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, at all. How can I help you?
I want again.
One again?
Yes.
Can I let you
He's my cobbler. I know you said.
Sente?
Yes.
Make her. How much?
Mitwale sa tusego.
Could you give me this object? Okay. That's enough to say that. Okay. Twala this. Balance gana
Again.
Darling.
Yes, dear.
Zina has to take. Yeah, let me come.
Okay. Oh.
Kombla. Mukozi wenga.
What have you done to earn that money?
What have I done to earn that money?
Yes.
In the go humiliating and said as a cobbler from Wandegia in the no pito mukozi wenga to with my status.
Status change. What now status?
In fact, come to think of it.
Yes.
Bosani do consular damages. Listen, I'll go in there, tell your man that I'm your boyfriend. Then, if you don't want me to tell him, let me tell otherwise. Let me tell him. Look at you so much. You're taking me for a fool. I know. 20,000 it is. Me? A campus, you call me a cobbler?
Darling, yeah.
Also, no.
Yes.
Becca. Okay.
Okay, darling. Thank you so much.
That's me.
Mwaruna Jose. Cobra.
What? And I don't want to ever see you again.
You don't want to ever see me again?
Yes.
But we go to the same class. Are you going to expel me from the university?
Yeah. Okay, I'll be right there.
Darling.
Hey, all right. Okay. Yeah, Zeno has to take.
Oh, Zeno.
Anyway, darling,
yes.
I'm sorry, something has just come up. It's very urgent. It's just so I could take you out. I'm going to arrange this. Yeah, but never mind. I'll make it up to you next time.
Okay, darling.
I'll make it out just something to running.
Thank you.
Yes. Darling.
Yes.
Ogamba no obusente bwe nali kulekedde wate tebugenze nono wengato.
What?
I'm sorry. Anyway, I'll make it up to you.
Okay.
Next week or so.
Okay.
Okay.
Charlotte, I can take you out now.